See, most of the times, I mean, irrespective of this COVID situation, we are in a COVID situation and we are in a lockdown. So we had no choice but to go digital, try to do all these things. But if you look at this as a transformation, what would be a need for a transformation for a startup? There could be 5 or 6 ways you can understand what is a need for the transformation. It could be an innovation. So what kind of innovation we can bring in our product at this point of time? Like if we are into any kind of offline business or a daily trading, how can we get those trading happen online? So that could be a product innovation, or that could be a business model innovation. That could be also your sales innovation, because maybe you are selling more as a catalog price, like a product is sold as per a catalog price. But when you try to sell the same thing online, maybe people don't understand it because they don't see the product, they don't have a touch and feel of the product. So you have to sell in a different way. So that could also be sales innovation. So there are a lot of ways innovation can help, or is a need in a way for business transformation. That's what it happens. The second one, why most of the times we have to do business transformation, is for value creation. What happens typically is like, when we are starting with the process, or this, let's say, take this online as an example. Now, what is the value I will be delivering, or what is the value I'll be creating for the customer when I sell the same items online? Let's say if I'm selling something offline, or if I'm trying to connect with my customer offline, when I try to do it online, how I am actually sharing the value, or how I'm actually translating the value into online without a change. So that's where value creation has to be looked into for the process of this transformation. Third, you have to be part of the growth path. You have to align this transformation, whatever you're doing, you have to consider as part of your growth path. It should not be like everyone is going online, so let's also go online. That can fetch you some kind of a leverage, but it cannot help you get a bigger kind of a stake on the entire process. So you have to look at why you're going online. You have to have a bigger picture, and you should connect yourself on at least 1 or 2 important goals that you're going to achieve as part of your growing your business and by going online. So this is the third important aspect that you have to understand the need for business transformation. The fourth aspect is more of a customer experience. How different and how unique you are going to share the customer experience, how great you are going to keep up the customer experience while going online. Because when we go online, as I said, if you are into a normal store of selling items, when we go online, customers have a disconnect on what they see, what they buy, what they feel, what they touch. So there's a different kind of experience they have. So that's where the customer experience has to be taken into consideration. And you have to understand this transformation also considers that kind of a need to be part of it. And finally, the market opportunity. We should not go online because of the COVID situation or any situation. COVID situation is for temporary. It can be taken off. But by going online, what is a bigger market opportunity you are getting? How many additional kinds of offerings you can bring, and what is the additional value add, and who are the additional customers? How big is that kind of an opportunity, and how big is that market? Is going to really help a founder understand this entire concept of the need of transformation. And the case study we are taking here is purely going digital, which is need of the hour. So we'll be trying to share a few insights on that. Now,